So we're asked here to divide this whole thing by this thing. So we're going to use long division to do that. So I'm going to take this guy, put him here. I'm going to draw my long division line, I suppose you could call it. Then I'm going to put this thing in here. Okay, so now we are ready to do long division. So how we do it is we start with the x minus 5 term. We take x, we divide x into 2x cubed. The answer is 2x squared. That's the number we would need to multiply by x to get to x cubed. Now, we take the 2x squared, we multiply it by x, gets us 2x cubed, put that underneath. Then we take the 2x squared and we multiply it by the minus 5. This gives us minus 10x squared, and we put that underneath the other x squared term. We're going to draw a line under this. Now, we want the x cubed terms to cancel. So I'm going to add these two lines together. But if I just add them as it is, I would get a 4x cubed. That's not really good to us. We want to get rid of the x cubed. So I need to change this guy to a minus. However, I can't just change the sign of one thing on a line. I need to change the sign of the whole thing. So this is a minus 10x squared, so it's going to change to a plus 10x squared. Okay, now 2x squared plus minus 2x squared is going to be 0. They cancel. Minus 9x squared plus 10x squared gives me a plus 1x squared. Okay. I then bring down this guy beside it. And then I start again from here. I take my x divided into x squared is just a plus x. Again, x multiplied by x, going to be x squared, put him underneath. Plus x multiplied by a minus 5 gives me a minus 5x. I then draw a line again under it. Again, we're going to add the two lines. We want the x squareds to cancel. At the moment, plus x squared will give me plus 2x squared. That's no good. I'm going to have to change the sign again. So this becomes a minus x squared. I can't just change the sign of the minus x squared. I have to change the sign of everything in the line. So the minus 5x becomes a plus 5x. Okay, now x plus x squared minus x squared, they cancel. Minus 10x plus 5x. I'm left with a minus 5x. Then I bring down this plus 25 alongside it. Now I start again. X divided into minus 5x gives me minus 5. Take minus 5 and multiply it by x, minus 5x. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 gives me a plus 25. That's a good sign. These two lines are the same. That tells me that there is no remainder of my division. It has divided in evenly, so I can just cancel off everything. If I was to change the signs on them, everything cancels, nothing's left over. And then this is, I'll change the color. This thing up here is the result of my division. That is your answer. 2x squared plus x minus 5. Okay, I hope that helps.